In this video, I'll show you a real screencast from Pocket Option, not to impress you with numbers, but so you can see what systematic thinking looks like in action. And yes, trade number 1 closes in profit $20. Strong start. Trade number 2 closes perfectly $2. And another clean closing. 3 in a row. Hello friends, James here. Today I want to show you not just the trades themselves, but the way someone thinks when they are used to working with strategies, models and risk, not emotions. I often say trading isn't chaos, it's structure. And when you know how to look at it, a chart moves just as logically as any financial process. It has phases, it has impulses, it has moments of reversal. In this video, I'll show you a real screencast from Pocket Option, not to impress you with numbers, but so you can see what systematic thinking looks like in action. Every trade here is not a guess, it's a reaction to conditions that you can learn to recognize. If you want more breakdowns like this, more clean explanations and structural approaches, check out my Telegram. That's where I break the market down into simple formulas and teach how to think like a trader, not react like an emotional beginner. Let's begin. First observation, the market as a reaction. So we're opening Pocket Option. Candlestick chart as always. Today, we are working with Bitcoin instead of classical currency pairs. High payouts, high volatility, a perfect environment for analyzing price behavior. I set the time frame for 1 minute. The chart becomes clearer, movement smoother, patterns easier to read. First trade amount $120. Before entering, a quick observation. The red candle is wobbling, as if the reaction reached temporary equilibrium. Wicks appear more often, meaning the market is experiencing pressure from below. That often signals a local reversal. Trade number 1. Entering based on reaction, not emotions. I enter up. While waiting, I always do the same thing. I talk myself through the logic. It removes emotion. The market slowed down. Lower wicks increased. The candle structure became tighter. Buyer pressure is growing. If you notice, these micro reactions almost always point at upcoming impulse. The candle starts rising. And yes, trade number 1 closes in profit $230. Strong start. Trade number 2. Reading structure and wicks. I raise the amount to $180. Not out of greed, but because the reaction is stable and the structure is predictable. The candle is green, but the growth is slowing. A long upper wick appears, like an overheated reaction hitting its limit, preparing for a reversal. I enter down. In moments like this, remember, the market never does anything suddenly. It always leaves clues, narrowing candle bodies, longer wicks, weakening impulses. Slow your thinking and you'll see them. And trade number 2 closes perfectly, $342. Trade number 3. Stable upward impulse. Next amount $240. The chart again forms lower wicks. The impulse is preparing to continue upward. Buyers are dominating. The movement is confident but not aggressive. A perfect setup. I enter up. While the candle moves, let me highlight something important. If you see structure on the chart, don't doubt yourself. Trading isn't magic, it's repeatable behavior. And another clean closing. 3 in a row. Trade number 4. The first strong downward impulse. Next amount $300. This one isn't as light. Here I need both analysis and risk control. The chart shows acceleration downward. Long sellers entering aggressively. I enter down. The candle moves smoothly but firmly downward. That's good. Stable movement increases probability. And the trade closes in profit $570. 4 successful trades in a row. A clean session. Smooth, controlled, no necessary rush. What should you take away from these trades? I didn't click because of emotions. I didn't guess. I didn't catch the moment. I observed. Every candle movement is a reaction. Every wick is a clue. Every slowdown is a pressure shift. If you treat the chart like a formula instead of a lottery ticket, you'll start seeing logic where others only see chaos. Today's session wasn't about profit, it was about showing how systematic thinking works. If you analyze the market the same way I used to analyze financial models and risk, you'll stop being afraid of drawdowns. You'll stop trading chaotically. You'll start seeing structure where others only see noise. If you want more real-time breakdown strategy and explanations based on logic, not emotion, join my Telegram. That's where I share analysis, guidance, and personal answers for everyone. See you in the next video, and remember, the market rewards those who think slowly and act quickly.